Hi, this is Kristen. I wanted to take a minute and present my final website design. I redesigned the ASU library website. One of the biggest goals that I had was that their homepage was really busy. It had a lot of text, a lot of links. As I talked to students doing user testing, it seemed like that was one confusing aspect of the homepage. Another thing I tried to do, or one of my goals with this redesign, was to make the search process a little bit easier, especially for students that didn't have a lot of research experience. This is my homepage. I tried to put a lot of emphasis here using space and color on the search bar. What I did was I had a slider menu with it had feature exhibits, news articles, events, book titles, and that would be automatically sliding. Down here I have three different images, and they're links to a step-by-step research guide, resources, and libraries. The reason why that this footer here is so dark is because that is coming from ASU's current website. In order to have their logo down here, it needed to match the background of the logo, which is why it's that dark. Now, moving on, say that you search, a book or a journal topic like autism, and it's going to take you down to your search results page. So what you're going to have is you're going to have your search result, what you searched here, how many sources there are, a menu here, you can sort it, a few different, you can refine your search, you can reserve it automatically, but if you want a little bit more information, all you need to do is just hover, and it's going to take a little bit different shade, or it's going to increase the width of stroke of your text here, and it's going to bring out a pop-out menu which has the book information. You can reserve it, you can read it online, cite it, email it, whatever it is. Then this search page is going to be the same for your books as well. So I'll take you back to my home page. So say I'm searching a specific title of a book. That's what this search bar would then look like. And the page would pop you back to something very similar to what this is. It'd have your book title and the book's information. You can reserve it right there. Try to make that pretty simple because that's something I found in the user testing. Students wanted to easily be able to check out a book or reserve it, save it online. Now I'm going to take this back to the homepage here, and I want to draw your attention to these three different, images here, specifically the step-by-step research guide. Now what we're going to do here is this, if a student is not quite sure how to research, this was where they would click in order to get, a guide. It would take you then to this page, and these are not necessarily in order, so students can pick whatever they want to focus on. And that's because you don't have to do research a certain way. However, they do want to do step by step. They can learn the research steps. If they click here, it will then take them to this page, and it will show that you're on the page because it's highlighted here. And it has 8 steps. Now again, it's not that there's a rule that there's 8 steps, and so the students really don't have to do that in order to understand how to research. Now, say you want to look at step 1, then that would take you here to pull out a drop-out menu where your icon's going to change, so you know that you can click on this in order to bring the menu up or drop it back down. Now, if there's a lot of text, then an automatic scroll, you can scroll down through the text as needed. My user testing through this process really helped me define what was most important in my homepage and the rest of my pages as well. And it really helped to talk to students who actually attend ASU, as well as students who commonly use the library website for research.